Good day, I'm Tienie from ABCUS Aluminium, and today I'm going to show you how to install a corner entry shower on this platform just behind me. But before that, I'm going to show you the shower components of what it consists of. The shower consists of the following: the hardware pack that is included in the shower package when you buy. It consists of the two parts on the top and one on the bottom, that be the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 panels that comes in the side, on the bottom and the top. Your Fisher plugs, your stainless steel 40mm screws, your stainless steel 10mm screws, and then your end caps that goes on the top on this screws. The actual shower has two panels, one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side, of which the panels have on each of the individual panels that open and close. That's why the corner entry. To get that installed, you do need to have a compensating panel. This panel is where the shower slides in, which is already included in the shower on the side. So you just slip it out of the side and you get to where this panel is. So this panel, one thing about it, you don't have to drill it. It's already pre-drilled. With that comes in, if your shower is a bit short and the opening is not exactly the same size and it is wider, it comes with an extra panel that you can extend it with. The panel consists with two of these that comes loosely packed with the shower on the side, which consists of 15mm extra width on your length. But that I will show you in the installation part where it can be used. For the installation of the shower, you're going to need the following tools. I'm going to present them one by one. A water level. You're going to use the water level for all the lines that have to be plumbed and lined. Next one, we're going to have a drill. You can either choose a cordless with like this, or one that has a cord, but you're going to use a drill. Next one, you're going to use a tape measure for the distance so that you can see if you have right distances. A pencil for the markings of the holes and the lines. A handheld screwdriver, you can use it for the small screws, or you can use the extension drill for that, each own preferences. The extension Phillips drill bits for the cordless, for the small screws if you go for the hand drill. And then for the brick walls, you're going to use a brick drill to get the holes drilled. For the Fisher plugs and the stainless steel screws, you're going to fix the jambs cover for that shower. And lastly, you're going to use the silicone gun with the correct silicone just to finish the lines off and seal the shower quite tight so that it can't leak water. Now for the installation of the shower, you're going to do the following, just to make sure that every panel that you have is sitting on the right position and the space in the area where it sits are completely correct. What you're going to do, firstly, you're going to measure the opening where the shower is going to be sitting. You measure the one side and see that the panel is 800. And the other side, and you see the panel here, the opening is 800. Or to see if the shower is going to be okay, you're going to measure the two panels. First, you're going to measure this panel. It is 720, and you're going to measure the following panel. It is the same, 720. So nextly, for the panels to get installed, you must mark it firstly on where the panel is going to sit on the floor. You're going to mark your panels. You're going to mark it 720. And from that side, you're going to mark it 720. So now you know where at least your panel is going to sit. And it's more than enough space for the shower to get installed on this floor here. So for that, you need to see where the lines are going to sit for the channel. For that, you mark it out the distance from where the 720 is, and you mark it the same that side. The same doing on this side as well for the channel, we sit on the correct space. Now that we have the marks where the channel can sit and where the shower is more or less going to sit, start with your compensating channels, which gonna sit against the wall like this, more or less. For that, you need a line and mark the holes where it's going to sit. But before that, you need to level it up that it is exactly on a level straight. For that, you're going to need to use this, the level, just to make sure that you are in level with the line and mark the lines. This is your first line on where the panel's channel is going to be installed. So now you know where this is going to sit. Next, you do the same on the other side. Okay, now that you did that, now you know more or less where your shower is going to sit on the podium that I have here. So next thing, you're going to take your the channel and put it against the line. Where it is in line on the channel, that the line that you did, you're going to mark the holes where you have to drill to fix it against the wall. Now that is done, your holes is now marked against the panel where you're going to fix this channel. Earlier I said on the small channel that I have is this a smaller channel that you're going to use with when your opening are too big, so you have to enclose the opening. You're going to do the same what you did with this, drill the holes, and then put it against the wall and do the same. And then you fix this one first before you install this panel, just to get that extra space to enclose it. This gives you more or less 15 millimeters more if the opening is bigger than the existing shower. To do now the same on the other side, now for the installation for the jambs. I'm going to drill the holes and then screw it to the panel and then do the same on the other side. We are finished with this one side. We're going to do the same now to the other side. Now that I did the preparation for the channels that I installed here and installed this side, we're going to start to install the shower panels now. Now that the panel is in the channels, that just slides in that, I'm going to check if my distance is still okay. I'm going to measure this side. It's 45. and this side is 45. So, the installation panels are correctly installed, so the shower should be okay from here on. What I'm going to do now is, I'm going to fit the corner pieces. Going to fit Silicone first. Now for the bottom one. I'm going just to test the doors if everything is working fine, perfectly as it should be. Let's check. And the door panels are closing perfectly. So now you know your door is straight, all leveled out, all straight, and everything correctly installed with your distances on the floor. Now for the finishing part, we're going to do the last bits of the shower, of which I already installed 2 parts of it, one on the top and one on the bottom. But I'm going to show you the last 2 how to do it. The 2 left of this parts, one is going on the top and the other one is going on the bottom. And this is how you're going to install it. On the top one, you're going to do there. So you just clip it in. And the same on the bottom. And you clip it in. And it is working perfectly. For the finishing on the side walls on the inside here, to have this panel fixed on this side and that side there, you have 2 options that you can do. It depends on your own preference. The first option is you can slide the panel away, put silicone on the inside, and just press the panel against it to seal it up and let it sit for dry. The second option that you can do is on the package that you get, you have small stainless steel screws that you're going to use to fix on the inside 4 of them individually spaced, equally spaced, to fix the panel against the frame. And it's doing the same as what the silicone did. And afterwards, you can just put on the end cap on the screw that on the ends is going to sit like this. With that done, on the outside, you're going to use the same screw and end cap to fix it on the one on the top, one on the bottom on this side, and the same on the other side. You can fix it to the top here and on the bottom there. But like I said, it's own preferences. You can choose which one you're going to use. It depends on you yourself.